Hi, congratulations, Zinal.
Thank you.
First of all, she is Zinal. She has taken classes at CLAT Prep. I am Ankit from Team CLAT Prep, right? First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
You have scored rank 1 in SC and overall rank 46. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So, I just want to know how was your preparation here? You started last year March, right? So, I just want to know how good were the notes, how you will tell students how you did the preparation.
So first of all, I just want to say that CLAT tests you. First of all, it is actually it's not a memory-based exam; it's a skill-based exam, and skills can be practiced and developed.
Okay.
So मैंने जो सबसे पहले start किया था, that was GK,
Right.
and Sumit sir used to say newspapers
Right.
and article writing is
Yeah.
essential.
Right.
ठीक है? And for me, the main thing was logical reasoning.
Right.
Problem solving and everything was very important for me, and that was my weak part too. Quant was also a little weak side,
Okay.
but I think practice makes a man perfect. मेरे लिए quant और maths का basic ही था, so I think it went very well.
Right.
मेरी legal was the strong part.
Okay.
I think जो legal है, it's more of application based
Right.
and information based,
Right.
and you practice the questions and then you know कि क्या है legal.
Right.
मेरे लिए सबसे easy was English, especially.
Right.
English में more of newspaper, editorial, article reading and writing. That's it, sir. Mainly it worked for me.
And how were the mocks? You gave around 50 mocks, right? So how were the mocks? How well they were made you to prepare?
So 50 was, I think, least. I gave more
More
than
than that,
50.
right.
And so I've been practicing from 2 years.
Right,
11th
right,
and
right.
12th was basically the mock sessions. Saturday,
Right.
Sunday was obviously
Right,
mock
right,
session.
right.
मेरे लिए mock देना ज़्यादा important था because it requires improvement
Right, right,
for me.
right.
Analysis and improvement.
Right.
Mock goes like that.
Right.
And my brother helped me.
Right.
वो नालसार से
Right,
हैदराबाद.
he's from Hyderabad.
So sir, he helped me tremendously.
Right.
मतलब मेरे उसने Anki is a app. उन्होंने मेरे लिए फ्लैश कार्ड्स बनाए जीके के,
Right.
and I used to revise it every single week.
Right.
And he used to test me
Right.
कि अच्छा ये बताओ, अच्छा this quiz, that quiz, so it
Okay.
helped me tremendously.
And the GK compendium that we were also providing.
So that is literally the most special thing is पूरे CLAT prep की that कि monthly जो magazines है वो GK में सबसे ज्यादा help करते हैं because GK is very vast.
Right.
और इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन इतनी ओवरवेलम हो जाती हूँ मैं तो पढ़ के कि इतना कैसे होएगा, बट आई थिंक वो एक प्रिसाइजली सब कुछ नोट्स दे रखे हैं, सो इट वर्कड फॉर मी.
Notes and everything, homework, sheets.
यस, आई जस्ट वांट टू शाउट आउट टू सुमित सर. सुमित सर काफी मतलब उन्होंने इतना मोटिवेट किया मुझे पहले से ही, तो इसलिए
Thank you. Thanks a lot. All the
Thank you.
best.